Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well. Today we're doing beauty pie. I haven't done one for a little while. This will be my last box. I have cancelled the subscription due to the fact that I have got a lot of makeup. So beauty pie is a monthly subscription. It costs £10 a month to members. You are basically buying a membership so that you get your products a hell of a lot cheaper. It is a little bit complicated, so please feel free to jump onto the website and just check it out for yourselves. So I got my delivery today. I only ordered a couple of pieces. I feel like I've kind of brought what I wanted from Beauty Pie, hence why I'm cancelling the subscription. It's got nothing to do with the quality, the cost or anything like that. I've always been pleased with Beauty Pie products. So you get it in a box like this. Always got beautiful packaging, and there's our products there, so let's have a look. Okay, so you do get paperwork with it, it's all wrapped up, very nice. Okay, so the first product I brought was, look at the packaging. It's simple, but it does help keep the costing down. This is an all-in Wonder Illuminating Primer. So this is like, for me, this will be like used as a BB cream. As you guys probably know, I'm not a fan of the feel of foundation. I only want a little bit of coverage. So I decided to buy this. It's in a tube. It's got a little pump. Let's have a look at the colour. Okay, doesn't appear to want to come out. There we are. So that's the colour. So you can see from the colour that you could actually get away with using this as a BB cream, and you can see how illuminating that is. That is so pretty. So let me just tell you the price of this. So for members this would cost you £5.35. Non-members it would be £24. And I think you can agree that is pretty much doing what it says on the can. So I'm pleased with that, and I can't wait to try it out. However, I do have it all over my hands. Let's just give me a wipe. Done. Okay, next I am a fan of mascaras. Now they do 4 in total. I have 3, and this one I could never get my hands on it. This is the Flash False Lash Mascara. Full price would be £20 to non-members. To members is £3.66. Okay, so that is the wand. Now it is quite small, as you can see, guys, but I feel like that will get through every single eyelash. I've always loved Beauty Pie mascara. It's my go-to mascaras, and yes, I've tried many others, particularly in our subscription boxes, but nothing compares to Beauty Pie. Okay, next we have a couple of lipstick products. As you can see, it's all this black packaging. So we have, what's this? This is, I have no idea, let me take it out. Oh, this is called Bitten. This is a liquid lipstick. Non-members £20, members £5.88. I was looking for some more like autumn colours now that autumn is near our doorstep. So I kind of wanted something gorgeous colour for autumn. Beautiful, and the applicator is just literally one of these things. Okay, so I'm sure you can agree that is a really pretty nice colour, and the colour's bitten in case I didn't say. And my last lip, well, this is a lip gloss. This is in the colour called Total Guilty. This will cost you £19 as a non-member. As a member, it's £3.64. And again, as you can see, I went for a darker colour. The applicator is like this. And the colour, it's very similar, but this is a lip gloss. Okay, so that is all I brought. So my total spend was £31.89. That included the products, the £10 membership, and postage and packaging, which is like £3 or £4 delivered by Royal Mail, and it takes 3 to 5 working days for you to get it. If I wasn't a member, it would be £83. So massive savings. I'm going to put some of this on, and I will insert a couple of pictures of how these products actually wear and what they look like. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so that's it for Beauty Pie. I want to insert some photos, so look out for those. If you want to see more from yours truly, hit that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that one. Until I do another video, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Take care.